Alchemy is an influential philosophical tradition whose early practitioner claims profound powers were known from antiquity. The defining objectives of alchemy are varied. These include the creation of fabled philosopher's stone, possessing powers including the capability of turning base metals into noble metals, gold and silver, as well as elixir of the life conferring youth and immortality. Western alchemy is recognized as a proto-science that contributed to development of modern chemistry and medicine. Alchemists develop a framework of the theory, terminology, experimental process, and basic laboratory techniques are still recognizable today. But alchemy differs from the modern science inclusions of hermetic principle and practice related to mythology, religion, and spirituality. Defining goals of alchemy are often giving transmutation of common metals into gold or silver, and creation of panacea, discovery of universal solvent. However, this only highlights certain aspects of alchemy. Alchemists have a historically written and evolved the explanation of their art, making singular definition difficult. Alchemy is the art of liberating parts of the cosmos from temporal science and achieving perfection, which for metal is gold, and for man longevity, then immortality, and finally redemption. Material perfection was sought through the action of preparation, philosopher's stones for metals, elixir of life for humans, while spiritual ennoblement resulted from some form of inner revelation or other enlightenment. Modern discussion of the alchemy are generally split into examination of its exotic practical application.